like how your background is like stuff.
Oh yeah. So much more. Yeah, no problem.
What if you were mine? Oh baby, come on and say it now. Just let the words come out. It's easy to say what's on your mind. Say it a million times.
Where are we going for brunch?
Day by Day Cafe. Number 7 brunch spot in Philly.
Ooh, by who?
I don't know. Luna's?
Oh baby, come on and say it now. Just let the words come out.
Did you get us a rezo?
Not a reservation. I just said I am walking, and I've got 6 people.
I am amazed that there was all these people waiting up here, and Sam Allen just like breezes in like it's.
If ever you need to get something done, like murder somebody or blackmail somebody, I'm like, guys, call her. But it didn't come from me.
It's easy to say what's on your mind. Say it a million times.
Dear Jewish friend, what's a challah French toast?
A egg bread that is
Divine.
By the way, it's not challah, it's challah. Challah. Challah.
keep practicing, Anne.
One day, guys.
I know it's way too soon, but I waited for you. I think that's long enough. Too long to all those lonely nights.
What are we going to see now?
We're going to see Independence Hall, where the Declaration of Independence was signed by the founders of America, old rich white men. The Liberty Bell.
So there wasn't, wait on.
So there weren't?
So there weren't any tickets left for today, so I guess we're gonna Google picture it a bit later. No, ooh.
Yeah, I mean,
I think the line makes it a no. I will put a link as to what the bell looks like as well as its significance down in the comments. Now, I guess we're just gonna go have fun.
baseball.
Right, America? We ready for this? Baseball time. Ow, no. I was going to make an effect with my glasses, but it just got stuck in my hair. Oh well.
People, you have cash, right?
Plain dessert. Hey, should I pull out my bills? Alright, now catch your money.
She's clearly not a good stripper. And Mars, get over yourself.
No, really? For one.
These are like famous people playing baseball?
Yes, and you get it if you're like one of the first, 10,000 people in or something.
Shit, how many people today?
How many people is the stadium today?
40,000 probably.
No, a lot.
Citizens Bank Park. Cap capacity is 43,647 people.
Impressive.
Most stadiums, that's how much it is.
Well,
What you doing alone?
hello. I am actually just reading my word of the day.
What's the word of the day?
Sapiosexual.
What does that mean?
It's a person who finds intelligence to be sexually attractive in others.
Oh my god, that's so you.
I know, right? I thought of it. Sapiosexual.
Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. We're gonna get the full experience, which involves getting Philly Cheesesteak. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's the thing that people get in Philly. That looks delicious. I love fried stuff with condiments. What's your opinion on fried stuff? Approve. This is my first baseball game as an adult, and this is
my first baseball game ever.
from Australia. You guys have baseball in Australia or cricket?
Cricket, yeah.
All right.
It's softball, but not really.
All right, so let's the American explain to us what the heck is baseball.
You can't explain it when the game's not going on.
They hit the ball, and they run around the bases, and we get to the fourth base, you score.
No, there is no fourth base. It's called home base.
Yeah, but
Welcome to America. They can't agree on the rules.
You can also hit a home run. You can hit a ball. There's a lot of lingo, and you'll learn it throughout the night. You'll just pick up on it. Yeah.
I hate baseball. I come to eat.
3 out. You shame me.
All right, have fun tonight.
This is my shame.
That's amazing.
Classy America.
Wine comes into a plastic glass. This is actually super self-sufficient. I love it. I think this is genius, guys. We should bring this to camera to Canada.
You are, aren't you?
No, but I would love to be an Olympic. What sport would I play if I was an Olympic?
You'd be a gymnast.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I would actually like to be a wrestler.
Wrestler.
Yeah, that would be more badass, no?
No, you don't want to mess that pretty face up.
All right, well, have a fantastic game.
Thank you.
Do you think we'll have enough?
No, we're gonna need more.
Wine glass, guys. So you can unscrew it. Then there's a lid. It's just like those snacks you ate in like kindergarten, right? And then you have to take off the lid. Hold on. Oh, look.
B-stars. Come on, you got it.
Yeah, there's a tab here.
Oh, I see. It's like a pudding. Surprise! What's coming out of it? Wine. I'm so smart. There it goes. Woo! And then you can sip it. I feel so classy. Cheers! Cheers, my friend.
You'll notice the rest of us are drinking beer. In fact, it's Yingling, America's first. Oldest. Swiss brewery, Pennsylvania Dutch all the way. Yeah.
How is it?
It's a Philly cheesesteak.
Ground beef, onions, and cheese.
Velveeta cheese.
Velveeta cheese.
Really shitty cheese. Really shitty cheese.
Oh, is it like the yellow cheese?
Artificial cheese.
Oh, artificial cheese, man.
The American way.
It's delicious. Oh man,
It's so good they're cheering.
it's like savory, tasty, moist, so soft. Guys, I totally understand why this is comfort food. Why did we only order one?
We always order another.
I would totally take another one.
I think we should go to another place to get another one. These were like we need to get our guys, we need to get our forecast in.
So apparently the pretzel is self-service. Watch me self-serve my pretzel.
What? I just want pretzel.
Alright, should I get the pretzel? $5.25. Self-service, success.
She was like in and off. She was like off half an hour.
I dip everything in ketchup because ketchup is fantastic.
How is the chicken finger? But I do like the cheese because it's fake cheese and I never eat it.
Oh, eat it, girl.
Well, obviously I've already eaten so much of this shit.
Oh, baby, come on
friend John. He gets paid to watch baseball. How many games, John?
81.
Cool!
Said it a million times. Oh, baby.
This has been amazing. Freaking love Philly. If ever you have to book a weekend with your girls or your boys, by all means, book in Philly. It's very an understated city. It's so much fun, delicious, and honestly, the architecture is gorgeous.
Now batting for New York,
Photo mom. You're gonna hate
left fielder Cespedes.
Bye!